Welcome to the Eastern Shore Market Watch, brought to you by Real Estate Business Intelligence, an MRIS company. Let's examine the most recent numbers from the Eastern Shore housing market, which includes these areas. In October, the U.S. economy continued its steady progress, adding 171,000 jobs. While the unemployment rate edged up slightly to 7.9%, initial claims for unemployment insurance were more consistent with long-term trends. Over the past 12 months, the U.S. economy has added 1.9 million new jobs, fueled by growth in the private sector. The biggest challenge facing the economy in the near term is the debate over the fiscal cliff, a set of tax hikes and federal spending cuts. It's likely Congress and the President will come to some agreement that will avoid the cliff. However, the issues that drove us toward the cliff probably will not be resolved, but rather will be deferred. The failure to resolve the structural fiscal issues in the economy suggests there will be continued uncertainty in early 2013, which will continue to be a drag on recovery. Nationwide, sales of new and existing homes continue to improve, and new residential starts are up. The positive signs in the housing market, along with improving consumer confidence, point to steady, though still modest, improvement in the U.S. economy. Job growth in the Eastern Shore continued to be slow, with only about 270 jobs added over the past 12 months. However, the region's unemployment rate did fall from 7.8 to 7.2%. There is more activity in the area's housing market than last year. However, sharper than average seasonal declines are taking place. There were 194 sales in October, 16% higher than this time last year, but 19% below last month. The 10-year average change from September to October is just 6.7%. The same goes for the 219 new pending contracts, which is up almost 5% from last year, but down 11% from September, much sharper than the 10-year average decline of less than 1%. The inventory of homes for sale continues to decline. There were 2,847 active listings at the end of October, 11% below this time last year. The 389 new listings entered in October are down 7% from last year and are the lowest level of October new listings the region has seen in over a decade. At $226,000, the median sales price for the Eastern Shore region is up almost 19% from October 2011. Homes continue to sell faster in the region, with the median days on market falling 20 days from October 2011 to the current level of 107 days. The shrinking supply of active listings in the Eastern Shore region will likely keep prices relatively stable even as market activity slows with seasonality. Buyers have retreated from the market as evidenced by the declines in new contracts, and this trend will likely continue as we close out the year. That's the Eastern Shore Market Watch for this month. Check back next month for the latest.